a group of lawyers in Ondo State have filed a lawsuit against Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa, accusing his administration of crippling local government operations despite federal efforts to strengthen governance at the grassroots level. Lawyers under the umbrella of the Ondo Redemption Front allege that local councils across the state have deteriorated due to the government's continued diversion of local government funds. Trust TV's Habibat Ajayi completes the report.
They also cited neglect in critical sectors such as health, misplaced priorities in infrastructure projects like the Shagari Village Bridge, and what they described as the governor's failure to provide effective leadership. The group further raised concerns over unresolved financial controversies, including a 240 billion naira bond insurance and alleged 12 billion naira monthly kickbacks.
So the fulcrum of what we are saying, that it is a right of the people of Ondo State that Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa should stand before the people of Ondo State and give us a monthly analysis of what has been agreed to the state and how he has been spending it. And it is funny to us that he has been running away from this.
The current governor, when he was deputy governor and he was about to be impeached, the same way we've gone to court today to compel them to answer to simple questions we're asking about our commonwealth. That was the same way we went to court to compel and ensure the late Governor Akeredolu had to leave the space even before his eventual or unfortunate death. It was the same way we as a group went to court to ensure the rule of law was upheld in Ondo State.
Stakeholders expressed disappointment over what they described as the lack of urgency and coherent progress under Governor Aiyedatiwa's leadership. They advised him to adopt a more democratic and transparent approach to governance.
Governor Aiyedatiwa must release audited accounts of all bond proceeds and state finances. Number 3, he must reinvest in healthcare and rescue the crumbling infrastructure system. Number 4, he must end political distractions and focus on service delivery. Number 5, he must allow the House of Assembly to exercise real oversight free from partisanship.
They also reminded the governor that the overwhelming mandate he received in the November 2024 election was not to preside over drift and decay, but to deliver meaningful transformation and development in Ondo State. Habibat Ajayi, Trust TV News, Abuja.
Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court in Abuja has declared illegal, unlawful and unconstitutional the plan by a former presidential candidate, Professor Pat Utomi, to establish a shadow government in Nigeria. The judge on Monday issued an order restraining Utomi and his associates from proceeding with their plan to establish a shadow government or cabinet in the country. Justice Omotosho issued the order while delivering judgment on a suit filed by the Department of State Services (DSS) against Utomi. Justice Omotosho declared the concept of shadow government or cabinet as unconstitutional and an alien concept to the nation's presidential system of government. The judge held that Utomi and his associates cannot hide under the right of association to criticize and engage in unlawful activities. He commended the plaintiff for filing the suit and held, amongst others, that it was within the rights of the DSS to take steps to prevent acts capable of threatening the nation's internal security.